What's something people don't know about pancakes? They can be your ticket to breakfast bliss. Let's explore. First up, we've got blueberry pancakes. Imagine biting into fluffy stacks bursting with juicy blueberries. Simply mix your batter, toss in fresh or frozen blueberries, and cook until golden brown. Easy peasy. Next, banana pancakes. These babies are sweet, tender, and packed with natural goodness. Mash ripe bananas into your batter, cook, and enjoy the fragrant melt-in-your-mouth delight. Apple cinnamon pancakes are perfect for that cozy fall vibe. Grate some fresh apples, sprinkle in cinnamon, and fold into your batter. Each bite is like a warm hug. Now let's talk strawberry pancakes. These are fresh and fruity, a real crowd pleaser. Chop up some ripe strawberries and mix them right into your batter. Top with more strawberries and a dollop of cream. Last but not least, mango pancakes. Bring a tropical twist to your breakfast. Dice up sweet juicy mangoes and stir them into your mix. It's like a mini vacation on your plate. If you love these recipes, hit that subscribe button and join our pancake-loving family. You won't want to miss out on more delicious ideas. See you next time.